Hello, family. My name is Joel Brown Jr., aka Black Phoenix, and I'm the owner of Hogon Welding and the founder of Hogon University and the creator of the Welding Skids. Today, I created a new channel on YouTube called The Welding Coach, and I wanted to introduce this new channel to you because I think it's a great need when it comes to welding education. There's a lot of videos and a lot of channels out that teaches welding and how to weld, but I want to go a little deeper. I want to teach you how to weld and then teach you how to turn that welding skill you have into a welding product, and then from that welding product into a welding business. But this is not taught in the schools, but it is a need because a lot of people just don't want to get a job, just don't want to barely get by. They actually want to create some financial freedom for themselves, and that's what I want to present to my new welding community. I want to help you take that trade and transcend it into a business, but we have to start by learning the trade, and we will use some of the basic knowledge that has already been out there because there is no such thing as reinventing the wheel. But what we can do, family, is add some accessories to the wheel. We can add some bling to the wheel, and that's what I want to do with the welding coaching. I want to be able to close the gap where you can learn privately. You can call and get some consultations. You can be able to drive in, fly in to my location, and you can learn to be able to take your life to the next level. And I want to do it by leading by example, family. If you go check out my Hogon University YouTube channel, you can see all of the archives I have put down and all the experience I have gained over the years. I'm 42 years old, family, and my mother introduced me to welding while I was in prison doing a 10-year sentence. I did a whole decade, family, from the age of 16 to 26. And when I got out, family, I had a career, and that career changed my life. And I want to help change your life with welding. Hog on.